everyone, welcome to day 1 of your English speaking journey. The goal for today is to build a strong foundation by focusing on communication, okay, and confidence rather than complex grammar. This is going to be very amazing for you, and the day 1 whatever I am going to share with you is going to be very effective for you if you are a beginner. Okay, I have a core action plan. If you follow those kinds of core action plans, so trust me guys that your communication is going to be very effective. Okay, so what will you do? I will tell you is that, okay, day 1 core action plan, you will have to say master survival English. Master survival English is that you will have to use basic structure. Okay, for a basic structure it could be like learn noun phrases, which is going to be very easy. Okay, first of all you will have to understand parts of speech. Simple parts of speech is that noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. You will not have to do it, you will have to learn only basic. So basic it could be noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. You will have to do it. Okay, and after that you will find yourself you are going to learn very effective. Okay, so use simple sentences by using these kinds of nouns, pronouns, adjective, verb. So you will have to do it. Okay, and second is that shadowing technique. Shadowing technique is that what will you have to do? Okay, so first stage you follow like that. You will have to understand your basic needs, what your basic like that nouns, pronoun, adjective and verb. And second is that shadowing technique. First of all you will have to find a short clip of your native speaker. It could be anyone. Okay, you will have to find a short clip of your native speaker and whatever they are saying in the short clip, and you will have to repeat that. Okay, and you will have to repeat whatever as they say. This is going to be your mind trained. Okay, and your mouth muscles is going to be trained, and your speech and your speaking skills is going to be very effective. Okay, so I think that without speaking is it not going to be possible, so you will have to do it. And second is that, which is most important, learn high frequency. Learn high frequency is that you will have to do it. You will have to start greetings. For example, hello, how are you? And this is could be your greetings. And you can start introduction. For example, hello, my name is that, whatever your name. So these kinds of introduction you can use it. And next is that clarification. Can you repeat that? So this could be your clarification. You will have to use it right now here. And next is that essential practice exercises. Okay, in essential practice exercises is going to be very effective for you for a beginner, is that the think aloud exercise. You will have to speak loud. When you speak loud, so the time your mind is going to be very active, and whatever you are saying, that is going to be totally sent on your brain, and you are going to be very effective English speaker. Okay, and you will have to think it, and you will have to speak it very wisely. And after that you will find yourself your English is going to be very effective for you. And next is that recording yourself. You will have to record, at least you will have to record 5 sentences, and after that you will have to listen back. Okay, and why is it important to you? It is going to be very important for you because I think that when you listen those kinds of sentences whatever you have recorded, and they will analyze you where you need to improvement. Okay, is your pronunciation good or not, and what is important to you? So that is going to be very important for your pronunciation. Okay, and next is that mirror practice. After doing these kinds of techniques, you will have to do mirror practice. Mirror practice is very effective. Okay, and in mirror practice you need not anyone. You can easily express your thoughts in front of the mirror without facing any kind of circumstances, and you will find yourself, yeah, you are a very fluent English speaker like that. Okay, so the today is only day 1, so you will have to follow whatever I have already said, and if you follow one of this step by step, trust me guys that I'm pretty sure that your English speaking skills is going to be very effective. So day one, you will have to do it, you will have to do only for these kinds of things only for day one. Okay, and next day after that you will have to do whatever I will tell you. And day one is very important. I think that if you don't follow day one, so I think that your English communication is not going to be effective. Okay, so you have already continue your mirror practice. And next is that golden rules for day one. Prioritize speaking uh, over perfection. Don't worry about making mistake. Mostly people say that, oh, I am not perfect in English, my grammar is so big, so I should, first of all I will have to complete my grammar and after that I will speak. So if you are waiting for complete your grammar, so it is not going to be possible. You will have to do it right now here. Okay, and initially you will make mistakes, but you will have to do it. And I think that in this world there's no one who is perfect, everyone make mistakes, but after that you are going to be the one person who is going to learn by your mistakes. Okay, so you will have to do it. And next is that stop translating. You will not have to translate English to Hindi to English and English to Hindi. And after that mostly people says that you will have, first of all you will have to listen these kinds of sentences in Hindi, and after that you will have to translate in English. And you will, and if you do it, so it is going to take a lot of time. Okay, so it is going to take a lot of time. So when you do it right now here, so on that time mostly people says that, oh, it is very difficult, it is not possible to learn it. So stop translating. And you will have to, first of all you will have to try to link English words to words. Okay, try to link English directly. Don't, you need not to translate in English. First of all you will have to do, try to link English direct in your images, whatever you are doing. Okay, and next is that, next tip is that for learning English, consistency. Consistency is key to learn this language. I think that even to 15 to 20 minutes with consistent practice is very important to learn this language. If you are following consistency to learn this language, I'm pretty sure that your English speaking skills is going to be very effective. And thank you, whatever I have tell you is very important. And if you trust me guys, if you follow one of those, so trust me, your English is going to be very effective. And next day I will get here